Hello, sweet friends and crafters. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. I'm super excited to have you join me today as I share a project using the 3D Snow Globe die from Scrapdiva Designs. If you care to purchase this die, it can be purchased at this website. I will leave links in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop. Please use Carol 10 at checkout for 10% off your order. So this is the die that I used. I'm going to have a tutorial on how to put this together. It's pretty easy and they make up pretty fast. As you can see, I've made quite a few of them. And I also used the glitter enamel dots as well for the centers of some of my snowflakes. So you might want to pick these up because you have several different colors and they come in handy when you're looking for the right color. So let's go ahead and look at the snow globes. You're going to need to purchase some plastic balls. For my snow globes, I used this right here. This comes from Amazon, but I did just recently order some from Michael's. They're not here yet. I'm having them shipped to the house. And these are, I believe they're 80 millimeter. As you can see on there, this had a box of 10. I've had these for some time. I hadn't used them. I had planned on using them, but I didn't. And I emptied my box out. I used a few for something. I forgot what I made with it. But anyway, you can get them on Amazon and at Michael's. So there's all kinds of ways that you can decorate these. As you can see, I put rhinestones on this one. This is some trim that I had got at a scrap convention, scrapbook convention, some down in Orlando. I had gotten it at one time. And this company that sells this has gone out of business. But anyway, I used some of that on this because I thought it was so pretty. And you can get your trees, these little trees, you can find these at the Dollar Tree. So it's not something that is hard to find. And I've got a little gingerbread house that I made in here. I love 3D houses. This die was from my stash, and then I had this little gingerbread sticker, and I just put a flower, and then on top I have a little snowflake with an enamel dot, and this is ready to hang on a tree. So I made all of mine ornaments. Next, I'll show you the little deer. And he's really cute. We got a little poinsettia in there. And this trim right here comes from Hobby Lobby. This is in the ribbon section. And all I did was tie a little ribbon around here, put a little poinsettia to match that one. And this one is ready to hang. Really cute. And I just put some glue on my trees and glued some of those snowballs. I thought that was really cute on that particular one. And this one here, this little house is from my stash. I have a bunch of these houses still made up and ready to use in my project. So I pulled one of those out and I got another little gingerbread. And you can see I have some pink trees in here that were from my stash. And then this fir right here you can get at Hobby Lobby. And it's just a long piece. And what you do is just wrap it around the bottom of the ball after you get it onto the base. And I just put a pom-pom on the bottom. I really like that. I love the fir. This one here is just a blue one with a little deer and two of the trees. Those trees are definitely from the Dollar Tree. You can see, and that is the Hobby Lobby trim. And then I made this little snowman from a die in my stash. And he is at the North Pole. And he's got some little trees around him. And I made him a little bit more country with the black and red ribbon. And I love the fur around it. I think it's so cute with the fur. And then little pom-poms. And he's ready to go. And then I have a little snowman from a die in my stash. So you can create any little scenes with anything that you have in your stash. This one I only put 2 little trees and some fur. Really cute, right? Then I have another one. This one I put more bling bling on it. Really pretty. I like the way it sparkles. This is going to look awesome in a Christmas tree. And those are Dollar Tree trees in there. The little deer you can get at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby sells little ornaments for their mini trees, and they have a lot of cute things that you can use for inside your globes. And then the last one is this one here. I tried some tinsel on one of these. I really like the red tinsel. It makes it really festive. And I put another little Santa at the North Pole in this scene as well. As you can see, I have 3 trees in this one. And then I put some little red pom-pom on the bottom. I love the red tinsel. So thank you for joining me today. My next video after this one will be the tutorial for the little snow globe. I hope that you enjoyed this and that you consider making this for friends, family, neighbors, and co-workers for Christmas. And until next time, everyone, happy crafting. Bye-bye.